that melt. Look at the melt. Ain't no glue on my forehead.
Feeling like, hey, you don't even gotta bring your paper out. We the dope boys of the year. Drinks is on the house.
Well, looky. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by RPG Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today because I'm in my intermittent fasting window and I can't have my sugar wine. So cheers. But anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this glueless wig out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from RPG Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Today we got a bob.
What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob?
And it has highlights, so we spiced it up for the season. I'm here for that. I am not going to wash my wig only because I'm always in a rush, okay? I'm always on the go to do something for these kids. It's football day, and your girl got to get her hair on and out the door. So I'm going to spray it down with my Esha hair perfume. But I do suggest you wash this wig. Do not do what I do. Do better. Take my pressed makeup powder. This is the Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Milk Chocolate. And I'm going to tint around my lace. This actually should melt pretty decent because it was pretty seamless on my hands. And for the cap construction, y'all saw that it does come with the elastic band and the removable combs on the side. I took one out, but let's go ahead and take out the other because y'all know I
don't think so. Homie, don't play that.
The little bit of edges I got, I needs all of them. The back is also removable, but I'm gonna leave that in my wig. It does have that silicone nape grip around the back, so it should fit pretty comfortably around your sides. Pretty soft and comfortable. All these brands been sending me left side parts lately. All these years I had to fight for my right side part. And here y'all come with the left side. Ooh, look at that melt. Look at the melt. Ain't no glue on my forehead. Let me move my forehead back a little bit. How's she fitting? She's fitting pretty much short. Ooh, kitchen is out. But because it's a bob, I can make it work. Some of y'all told me that the left side part looks natural on me, and it does. It looks good on me here. But like wearing it on my left side, I feel off. I feel like that's the correct side, but no. See, if y'all would have gave me the correct part, I wouldn't have to do all this. It's a lot of hair in there. This is 200% density, and I'm pretty sure it only comes in 200%. I mean, if I would have washed the hair, it'll be a little bit easier. I don't have my water bottle filled up, so I'm gonna use what I got, which is some product. Just my Jamaican black castor oil water. Clip this down. I'm just gonna do a little mousse. I don't really care about the front. Just a little mousse right here on the sides. And I don't need to wrap this down because it's not really much, you know, blending or molding I need to do. I'm gonna use that comb and I'm gonna tuck it under that band. Okay, pull it down a bit. Now you don't have to do this part. However, I wanted to open up the parting space just a smidge. So I'm just gonna pull some of these hairs out. And they come out pretty easy because of that bleaching in there. Ting! So when it comes to these type of units that have, you know, really nice bleaching and tiny knots, if you don't want your lace to start balding, wear the wigs glueless. One of my first wigs that I tried, I wore that joint out and I was spraying it down every single time. Oof, my hairline was getting pushed back. I just kept moving it down. Moving it down and cutting the lace off. Let me wet this up. The water just sitting right on top. Got some shedding. Not a lot. It's giving Whitney in her heyday. I don't know why I like that, but I kind of do. Like a little bush. Because I put that band down, it's gonna pull my wig back. I'm gonna work with it though. Now if you wash your wig, you don't gotta do all this because it'll already be wet. Use my detangler brush. Work that water through. Ooh, that was my kitchen. Golly. Curl is popping back in real nice, so that's good. Because this hair has been color treated, some of the hair does feel or does appear to be like a little dry. So use your moisturizing products, shampoo, conditioning, curl cream, all that kind of stuff, okay? Just to make sure it's gonna be properly hydrated. I know for my wigs, I do low maintenance, meaning I don't wash my wigs over and over. That's how your wigs lose their lifespan. Even though it's human hair, it's still a wig. I try not to do too much or put too much product in my hair because I don't want to create buildup in the hair because then I have to keep washing it. I should have just washed the hair, but I'm actually finding this process to be very therapeutic. Now I'm gonna take my Nairobi mousse. The Nairobi mousse with the water definitely helps the clumping. I could definitely rock this wig with no makeup. Did I do it today? Do some finger clumping. Make sure I get my ends. Okay, so WD2F, what we got right now? Diffuse, okay, wash, define, wash, define, diffuse is what we're on. So we're gonna diffuse the hair real quick, and then we'll come back and fluff for step 4 and be done. Okay, so the hair is almost dry. I wanted to air dry the rest of the way just so it doesn't become too frizzy, because normally I would do my mousse and my curl glaze wherever that is, but because I didn't do that today, I want to keep my hair as defined as possible without making it too frizzy. Push it behind my ear. Let me use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze to open that up a bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of my 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐢 gel right here on the edge. Just kind of lay that down. Now to finish out my fluffing, I'm gonna take my pick, just give a little lift. And go in, out like that. This color is really pretty. Ooh, that looks good. Hey, y'all, so here's the final look. What we think? Don't all speak at once. They are working in that warehouse shop. I literally have no complaints for this week. This is a gorgeous bob. I was a little worried by the stock photo because it looked a little stringy, but y'all see that definition? Okay, she got some bounce back. I feel real pretty, y'all. What's this? It's not lace, it's a wig. Okay, 9x6 glueless wig. You saw me put it on. No glue. I got a little gel over here on my edges. That's it. The lace is melted, just powder. Not even contour today. Okay. And the price of this wig is $154. And that's with the $5 band. So if you don't want the $5 band, it'll be $149. But get the band, especially my big kid girls. Okay, we need that security. But this is gorgeous, y'all. I have no complaints whatsoever. I'm here for it. So let me go ahead and get up out of here because, you know, the stands need to see me. Shout out one more time to RPG Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.